The Supreme Court has quashed the notification on a conduct of the Bangalore-based National Law School of India University's separate entrance exam called the National Law Aptitude Exam or NLAT 2020. The top court ordered that this year the NLSIU will have to conduct its admission to its courses through the Common Law Admission Test or CLAT. According to court, CLAT 2020 will have to be held on its scheduled date of September 28 and concluded that the conduct of CLAT 2020 should not be hindered by NLSIU in any manner. The Supreme Court has quashed the conduct of National Law School of India University Bangalore's separate entrance exam, the National Law Aptitude Exam 2020. The court ordered that NLSIU would have to conduct admissions to its courses this year through the Common Law Admission Test. The bench of Justices Ashok Bhushan, R. Subhash Reddy and M.R. Shah had reserved judgment in the matter on September 17th after giving the case an extensive hearing. Earlier, the court had allowed NLSIU to conduct the contentious NLAT. However, the apex court had held that the result would be declared subject to the decision of the court. The court had directed that CLAT 2020 be held on its scheduled date of September 28 in accordance with all the safety guidelines prescribed by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The court further directed the result of CLAT 2020 are to be declared as early as possible to ensure that universities can start admission as soon as possible. Further, the court has directed that NLSIU be reinstated to the Secretariat of the NLU Consortium and that the Vice-Chancellor Professor Sudhir Krishnaswamy be given back his post of Secretary-Treasurer of the Consortium. NLSIU's move to conduct a separate entrance exam this year, owing to the delayed conduct of CLAT 2020, was challenged by former NLSIU Vice-Chancellor Professor Venkata Rao along with an aspirant parent. The court was urged to quash the September 3rd notification announcing the conduct of NLAT for NLSIU admission this year. Another prayer was made for quashing of NLSIU's notification regarding the technical requirements to write NLAT and for a direction to the university to accept students this year on the basis of CLAT scores. One of the central points of contention in the matter was NLSIU's unilateral decision to hold a separate exam whilst being part of the consortium, a society which had come to be formed primarily for the purpose of holding a common law entrance exam for admissions to NLUs. Bureau Report.